Creating a board on Monday.com is a straightforward process, but users often encounter common issues that can hinder their workflow. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a board on Monday.com and provide solutions to common problems. First, log into your Monday.com account and click on the Create a Board button. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. When creating a board, it is essential to define your board's purpose and structure. This will help you to stay organized and ensure that your board is easy to navigate. One common issue users face is overcrowding their board with too many columns and items to avoid this. Prioritize the most critical information and use filters and groups to organize your data. For example, if you are creating a project management board, you may want to include columns for task status, due dates, and assignees. Another common issue is not setting clear permissions and access controls. Make sure to define who can view, edit, or delete items on your board to maintain data integrity and security. You can do this by assigning roles to team members and setting permissions for each column and item. When creating a board, it is also crucial to establish a clear workflow. Use Monday.com's automation features to streamline your workflow and reduce manual tasks. For instance, you can set up automated notifications when a task is assigned or when a deadline is approaching. To avoid data inconsistencies, make sure to use consistent naming conventions and formatting throughout your board. Use Monday.com's built-in formatting options to standardize your data and make it easier to read and analyze. Finally, test and refine your board regularly to ensure it is meeting your needs. Use Monday.com's analytics features to track engagement and identify areas for improvement. By following these best practices and troubleshooting common issues, you can create a board on Monday.com that is tailored to your needs and helps you to achieve your goals. By understanding these common issues and taking steps to avoid them, you can create a board that is efficient, effective, and easy to use. Remember to stay organized, prioritize your data, and establish a clear workflow to get the most out of your Monday.com board.